Hey there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this quick tip, I will be talking with you about how you can clear your desktop icon in just one click and how you can bring them back. So for that, what we're going to do is we will be making right click, and then this in view icon, you need to choose this option which is show desktop icon. And you won't see any file or folder lying in your desktop. If you ever want to bring it back, then simply make right click again and go to view and again click on show desktop icon. So if you are new to Windows, then this tip might be very useful for you guys. So in this way guys, you can hide or show your desktop icons. Now let me just close it back, and let's say you want to keep your desktop clean while you want to access these icons, then you can go to File Explorer, and from here what you require to do is just click on desktop, and from here again you can access these icons which are lying on your desktop. So that's all guys from my side in this beginner friendly video for Windows user. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.